Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate. We would be studying about the definition of hierarchy as given by Earl Latham, wherein the definition is about a structure of how the inferior and superior beings is ordered in an ascending scale, wherein this is a authoritative and clear definition of how hierarchy is a structured arrangement of people into superior and inferior positions in an organization, but in an ascending scale from lower to higher level. It emphasizes this definition is emphasizing about the order, ranking, the scaling, inferiority and superiority, that is a structured arrangement, a vertical authority. It is a vertical ladder of authority in any organization. Hierarchy, wherein it is about the a system. First of all, it is a structured wherein it states about an organization of how it focuses not only on hierarchy but tells us about organization also. A system where an individual is ranked in an ordered scale of authority from lower to higher. According to Earl Latham, an organization is not random, but it is a purposeful, created entity, a structure. It is a structured wherein people stand in superior inferior relations. The authority is distributed in levels. It becomes the basic framework of the organization. In an organization, this forms the basic framework wherein the components of this definition are it is an ordered structure. There is an order, discipline, and arrangement. There is an inferior, superior being, and two types of positions: superior, inferior. Superior, it is for higher level with authority, inferior, lower level with the less authority. Ascending scale, wherein the structure has levels or steps. It rises upward, it arises upward from lowest to highest. This describes the vertical chain of command. The vertical chain of command is there. The key aspects are hierarchy, there's an ordered arrangement, there is a structure. Then, in an ascending scale, a hierarchy is an arrangement of people in an increasing level of authority. It best describes the hierarchy as a hierarchy is the vertical arrangement of position. Hierarchy is a vertical arrangement of positions based on authority from lower to higher. Therefore, hierarchy refers to a systemic order of definitions into superior and inferior positions. Each level in hierarchy has authority over the level below. Each level in hierarchy has authority over the lower level below and is accountable to the level above, forming a chain of command. In an hierarchy, a systematic ordering of individuals is made into superior and inferior positions, wherein each level of hierarchy has authority over the one level below, and is accountable to the levels above, forming a chain of command. Hierarchy is a formalized structure of authority within an organization. It arranges positions into levels, starting from the lowest inferior to the highest superior in an ascending order. This scale facilitates supervision, coordination, responsibility allocation, and clear communication. It is about how there is a proper communication channels. It helps to the supervision, the coordination, and the allocation of responsibility. It shows who is responsible for what and who reports to whom. Therefore, as a what hierarchy is concerned, is a concept which is being defined, which means levels, ranks, authority structure, a vertical arrangement of positions. Hierarchy is a backbone of the organization. Is a structured is a order structure. Therein, the order and a structure. The two keywords are ordered and structured. Wherein ordering is made, there is a systematic and not random arrangement with purpose. It is a framework designed and arrangement. Hierarchy is a planned and organized pattern of authority and responsibility, wherein of inferior and superior beings. Hierarchy is a planned and organized pattern of authority and responsibility. of inferior and superior beings with the relative positions of individuals, higher authority, more power, that there is a decision making. And it is about the lower in being means lower authority, the followers, the implementers. The term being means person occupying the organizational role. There is a differences about power differences. There is a differences among the status and difference among the authority in an ascending scale, which means that the levels are arranged from lower to higher level like steps of staircase, and therefore as we move up the authority increases, and as we move down the obedience increases. This is about the how organization is arranged diagrammatically, a vertical ladder of authority. Earl Latham defines hierarchy as a structured and an ordered arrangement of people into superior and inferior positions, organized on an ascending scale. It implies that organization is built on levels of authority. Each level has higher, each level on B is built on the level of authority. Each level higher than the one below. It highlights the ranking. It highlights the authority, the spreading of the responsibility, the distribution, the flow of command, and structured relationship. Therefore, organization is about the relative positions of individuals. It is structured, it is ordered. It is about how levels, ranks, and authority is structured. A vertical arrangement of positions. Hierarchy is formalized structure of authority within an organization. It arranges positions into level, starting from the lowest inferior to the highest superior in an ascending order. This structure facilitates supervision, coordination, responsibility allocation, and clear communication. It shows who is responsible for what and who reports to whom.